Sanibonani sithandwa zikaMawandla, sanibonani Mawandla family, sanibonani. I welcome you on a new vlog, you guys. From the 5-kilometer journey that we have started. Today it is the Heritage Day, the 24th of September. So we said we are waking up. Yesterday I sent pressure message and it's nange holiday, and she said, yay, let's go. So we are cooking. Let's cook it. We have clocked in. We have clocked in our 5-kilometer. I didn't go to the gym, okay? I came back because the kids are home today. So I passed by grocery, and I got garlic roll, some spinach, some ice cream, and some sweets. Bacon. I have bacon in the freezer, but I'm lazy to defrost it, and then I just said let me pass by and get this one because we halal today. And I got this Braai pack. I got this Braai pack. I think we're going to Braai today because we're gonna be indoors. So yeah, we're going to Braai outside today. Though ngingena ukubasa umlilo, but yeah, ngikhalela nje Braai namhlanje. It is the Heritage Day in South Africa, so why not Heritage plus Braai equals to happy family. And then I also got this snack. Yeah, then now I want to hang blankets. I washed blankets from yesterday night, and then in the morning so I want to hang them. But the weather is not, there's no sun today, it's a bit cloudy, but because zispinile zizosheshe zome with your families wherever you are.
Mind on the loose, running freely. Though I could choose, it's not that easy. All the things I leave behind, living for another life. I will love you till it kills me. Mind on the loose, can you hear me? Always accused.
Hey guys, we have a new vacuum cleaner. We out in retain. Hey guys, on the last vlog I went to game store to shop around for a vacuum cleaner, and then we ended up buying this one. So I just want to unbox with you. Yeah, it's time for upgrade. I chose this one. It is 2-in-1 wet and dry. I will attempt to wash the couches and see how it goes. So yeah, we got this Genesis vacuum cleaner. I have Genesis So far so good. I've been using it for it's 3 to 4 years now. It got one thing I hate in summer. It's flies. We don't have spring in South Africa, sis. Aye. Cause this big here.
Yeah, because you open all the door.
Oh my goodness. So yeah guys, I hope it's on the vacuum cleaner. So let us open it. Kuna this one thing about summer days. Yeah, it's fine.
It's not a twist, you open it on the sides. Open the other side. Dot the net. Where's the net? Here's the net. You put it there. On the side.
Oh, I understand. You should put it here, but let us the email.
In the net. Look. The test is gonna there is bubble if we get it there.
On Sunday, we passed by linen, continental linen. We have continental linen now in Metlibek. We didn't have it. It was opened last Saturday. So I said, let me go and see. They have such beautiful things. And I bought this thrower for 100 rand. So, Jay. So I was like a kid in a candy shop because of continental linen. I've been seeing it from Joburg and other places, but we didn't have one here. So kusazoba mnandi with izinto zasendlini. This is it. I'm gonna put it on my bed. I think I need to wash it because it looks like boy, man, I understand. Yeah, I need to wash it. It smells
Not nice.
I've been staying for a long time. It doesn't smell nice, so I'll just throw it in the machine.
And my edge is wet. Now the edge is wet.
Cause yeah.
Like sugar. Menang ball. And food. Hello. Minum bilil more spice.
And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel. So what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same, okay? But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. Missionary getting boring, can you switch positions? Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscence. Every other missing. You wish it was different what it was.
Good morning. How are you? It's time. Let's go and fish the body. It's time. Let's go and fish the body. Every day is Katzek.
So feeling
But how dead that the feeling?
it's yeah. You go go.
Not the feeling as in we as we say I started my day in a positive way. Morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. It is another day, another blessing. Today I took a shower at the gym simply because I want to rush, or I am rushing to my second born new high school Ulisedi uya e high school next year, guys. Have I told you that? Oh, angintshela guys, my second born uya e high school next year. Hey, ngaze ngakhulisa bo my dear. Ngaze ngamdala. It's making noise. Ngaze ngakhulisa. I'm so proud of myself. Ngaze ngakhulisa. So he got accepted to the school that he wanted. I'm so happy for that because you know kids like in Funda Bupi exactly la. So he got accepted on a school that he wanted. So one stress down. So now I need to go there. You submit the acceptance letter and the registration thingy. I also want to buy a jacket for next year. I made a plan that every month I'm gonna buy something for him I'm gonna buy a uniform for him every month till next year because he's changing school totally. So I need to buy each and everything. The only thing is on top what he's wearing now are socks, but shirt, jacket, jersey, blazer. So day before yesterday I bought a school jersey, so today I'm going to buy a school jacket. So eating is why you're not schooling. So I told myself that I'm gonna do that every month. So now we have a jersey, we have a jacket. Then next month I'm gonna buy shirts. He will be wearing white shirts, so I need to buy fully shirts for the week. I think I have to buy 6 or 7 shirts, and then in November I will buy trousers. Yeah, so I know that in January I'm gonna stress because if then January you feel overwhelmed, it is too much now. So that's what I am going to do, you guys. Yeah, I will talk to you when I see you. Ngikhulisile, guys, ngikhulisile, but it's all the grace of God. It's all the grace of God to be where we are, and his family and me and his dad. So if it wasn't for the community, my mom, because I wouldn't be here. But we are here. He's dead. Sikhulisile indoda. As in sikhulisile, guys. You want to read for me in Zulu?
Yeah, I'm gonna try reading for you, please.
Okay, I'm listening.
What's spell in Zulu? Like casting a spell.
Casting a spell?
Yeah, what is that in Zulu?
Yeah.
Okay. Ujafa wase ayenza ubuthakathi kule ndawo yonke. Wase wafaka ubaba kaJasmine eselini njengenja. Yeah, njengenja. What's princess in Zulu? Oh, okay. Ingilosi.
A princess Nkosazana, yes.
Wase inkosazana. Yeah. Mina ngikhona ngifuna libhedle ngesizulu. Nayiphi ngikhona ngifuna ngesizulu. Okay. Wase waqabanga uJafa fihla wafa wase wabhaqa ethaweni. Ali. Huh? Back at the palace, the wicked Jafar had hypnotized the salute using his magical snake staff. You will marry Jafar? The salute ordered Jasmine in a strange voice. Never, father. What's wrong with you? Asked Jasmine. I know, said Aladdin, burst into the room. He snatched the staff from Jafar and smashed it into pieces. At once, the Sultan snapped out of his trance. Jafar fled as he left. He glimpsed the magic.
Now the light has left the dark I feel. When I reach for him and he's not here. Many times have come when he is gone, yet I find the strength to carry on.
Clocked in.